All right, kittens, put on your raincoats and hold your backpacks tight. Ready for school?
Remember, my little ones, walk carefully and watch out for slippery puddles. Careful, my little one. Slow and steady is the safest way.
Look both ways and wait for the green light before crossing.
Hold on, kittens.
The kittens wait as cars stop at the red light. When the green light shines, Mother Cat leads them safely across.
Goodbye, my little kittens. Have a wonderful day at school. Be safe and have fun.